Leave a fresh onion by your door, and the results will surprise you. Simply cut an onion and place it at the entrance. But today, I'll show you an even better method. While onions are best known as a kitchen staple, they also hold remarkable properties that make them an essential element in home remedies. Take a large onion and trim off its ends. Then, cut it in half and remove the skin. Onions are natural antiseptics and bactericides. Grate half of the onion using a coarse grater. Onions contain sulfur compounds with antibacterial and antifungal effects. Transfer the grated onion into a large container. Add 500 milliliters of water and half a teaspoon of black pepper, which enhances the onion's effectiveness. Then, pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar, known for its characteristic scent that acts as a deterrent. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let the mixture sit for a few hours, allowing the components to combine and release their properties into the water. Afterward, strain the mixture through cheesecloth and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this solution to spray areas near your entrance doors. This natural mixture will effectively help you deal with unwelcome guests like mice and insects in your home. It's an affordable, eco-friendly repellent that works quickly, efficiently, and is safe for your health.